You're thinking about leaving, aren't you? You've been quiet, distant. You've been pulling away. But why? After everything we've been through, everything I've done for you, why would you want to leave me? You can't be serious. You don't actually want to leave, do you? After everything I've done to protect you, to keep you safe, I've made sure no one else could hurt you, could betray you, and yet you're thinking about leaving? Do you really think you can just walk away from me? After everything I've given you, everything I've sacrificed just to keep you safe? You think that's also easy to throw away? To throw me away? Remember when we were kids? You had that cat, the one that would slip away when you weren't looking, always running off and hiding somewhere. I put a bell on its collar so it couldn't sneak away unnoticed, didn't I? You thought I was being ridiculous, but I knew I couldn't let it slip away. If I had a bell like that right now, shouldn't I put it on you too? Just so I'd always know where you are. So you couldn't slip away. So I'd never lose track of you again. I've given you everything. I've done everything to keep you safe, to keep you with me. And now you're going to leave? You don't mean that. You can't mean that. No, you don't get to leave. I've held myself back for so long, enduring it all, day after day, suffocating under the weight of it. But I'm done playing this game. You belong to me now. You're mine, and you'll always be mine. You have no idea how much I've sacrificed for you. Everything I've done, all the planning, the waiting, the watching, it was all for you. I just wanted to keep you safe, to make sure no one would take you away from me. Do you understand? I would do anything for you. I am the only one who can protect you. I'm the only one who can love you this way. No one else understands you like I do. No one else will ever care about you this much. I'm the only one who will never leave you. Never betray you. These are for you. You're mine, and I'm never going to let you go. Not again. Do you know what this means? This isn't just a simple thing. This is forever. We are forever. Shh. I know you're scared, but I promise you, this is the only way. We'll be together, always. No one can hurt you. No one can tear us apart. I'll keep you safe. I'll keep you mine. I know you're scared, but this is what we were always meant for. You and me, together, forever. I can't let you go. Not now. Not when I've come this far. You'll understand someday. You'll see that this is the only way, and that's never going to change. Do you remember back when we were kids? How we always used to spend time together, just the two of us? You and me. We didn't need anyone else, did we? It was always so easy back then. So simple. I remember how safe I made you feel. I remember how you'd hold my hand and promise me you'd always be there for me, no matter what. You made me feel special, like I was the only one that mattered to you. And I thought to myself, I'll never let go of this. I'll never let go of him. But then, you started to change. You started getting closer to other people. You started looking at them instead of me. And I realized something. You were slipping away. You were always going to slip away. I couldn't let that happen. Not after all the time I spent waiting and watching. Not after all the years I spent building this love for you. This devotion. I know you think I've gone crazy, that I've changed, but I haven't. Not really. I've always been like this, even back then. You just never saw it, did you? You never noticed how I watched over you, how I stayed close, always protecting you, always waiting for the moment when you'd realize we were meant to be together. I never wanted anyone else. It's always been you. It was always supposed to be us. You understand now, don't you? All this time, all the things that happened around us. It was all leading to this. The world never deserved you. They didn't see what I saw in you. No one will ever see you the way I do. They didn't love you the way I do. They never cared the way I do. And I've made sure you'll never have to worry about losing anyone again. Because I'll always be here. We'll always be here. And now, with these handcuffs, you're mine forever. I've waited for this moment for so long. The moment you realized you need me. The moment you realized we were meant to be. You'll never be alone. You'll never be left behind. I'll take care of you, love you, protect you. I'll keep you close. And no one, not your friends, not your family, no one will ever be able to take you from me. I love you, darling, and I always will. This is where you belong, with me.